First of all, pause the video, have a go, and then try and look at the answers. Okay, at-ta'am. Now you see here, if you kind of look at it, you can actually make it two tarkeebs, but then the translation will change. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one tarkeeb and I'll show you the translation, and then I'm going to do another tarkeeb and show you the translation. So okay, so at-ta'am, we're going to make at-ta'am into mawsoof. Okay, we're going to, alladhi is the mawsool. Okay, sounds similar. Ishtaraytuhu, this is a fi'l plus the fa'il, yeah, which is tu, and the damir ana, and you got plus the maf'ul bihi, which is who. So all that put together makes the sila. This becomes the sila plus the mawsool becomes the sifa plus the mawsoof becomes the mubtada, at-ta'amu alladhi ishtaraytuhu. Okay, so that's that. And laka would become the laka would become the khabar then, in that case. Yeah, and remember, you can't make harf jar muta'alliq to anything there, so you're going to have to bring out thabit. So let's put thabit there, thabitun, so make that muta'alliq to that, and so all that becomes the khabar. And now mubtada and khabar put together become jumla ismiya khabariya. Now that's one tarkeeb that you can do. We're going to look at another tarkeeb. So the translation of this would be at-ta'am alladhi ishtaraytuhu laka. The food which I purchased is for you. So laka here would be, all of this would be the mubtada in that case. All of this is the mubtada, and this would become the khabar. The food which I bought is for you. That's if we do it like that. Now, if we do it another way, at-ta'am here in this case now would actually, we can make it into a mubtada. Make ta'am into a mubtada, dhamma. That's all separate now. So let's just section it off. So all that's the mubtada. And now the rest of it is the khabar. All the rest is the khabar. Oops. All that is the khabar. Right, now let's do tarkeeb. So ta'am is mawsool. Ishtaraytuhu, this is a fi'l plus fa'il plus maf'ul bihi. Lam is harf jar, and kaf, this is majroor. This is the preposition. And then, so here this harf jar, we can actually make it muta'alliq onto ishtaraytu. Okay, ishtaraytu is a fi'l. So all that put together becomes the sila. Okay, so you got sila here, and then you got the mawsool. Sila mawsool put together becomes the khabar. Okay, so mubtada khabar put together becomes jumla ismiya khabariya. Now the translation is, the food is the one that I purchased for you. The food is the one that I purchased for you. So you see, that's another way of looking at it, but this time the meaning will change. Yeah, so remember, tarkeeb changes the meaning of, or can affect the meaning of what you want to say.
Jazakumullah khair for watching this video. I hope to see all of you guys. If you guys are interested, please leave us feedback, get in contact with us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Khair guys, for all of your support. Without your support, I wouldn't have been able to produce the videos that I've put up on my YouTube channel. And there is so much more that I really want to do. And without the support of you guys who are patrons, generously supporting this channel, I've been able to get myself a camera, which, as you guys can see, the quality of this camera, mic system, software. I've been able to hire an editor. So what do I want to do? I want to make lots and lots and lots of more videos for beginners, for intermediate, advanced,
in the subjects like Arabic and fiqh and hadith and tafsir and aqidah and all those other things as well. And for this to happen, again, this channel needs support. So if you guys want to become patrons and support this channel, then check out the link below. Also, if you do become patrons, you'll have access to videos that I don't put up on my normal YouTube channel. So check that out, inshallah. And there's most other perks as well that you guys can benefit from. And if you want to access this channel through social media, we've got Twitter, we've got Instagram, Facebook page, and other things as well that you can visit. So jazakumullah khair again, guys. Thank you very much for your support. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.